Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Zen browser on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up a web page and go to Google, type in Zen browser. You'll be taken to Google search results. From here, click onto download Zen under zenbrowser.app. And you'll be taken to this page where we can download Zen. So download Zen for your platform and experience a more mindful internet browsing experience. All downloads include SHA-256 checksums for verifications. So I'm on Windows, I'm going to keep Windows there, and I'm on 64-bit, so I'm going to download and install this. But if you're using Mac OS or Linux, you can do so by clicking on those tabs. So it's going to go ahead and download. Now, once it finishes downloading, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So if it doesn't appear here, go to your download section on your computer and double click it to open. All right, then we can say it's extracting from here. Click yes. It says welcome to Zen. Next. So choose a type of setup you prefer. So we've got a standard and custom. So you may choose individual options to be installed, recommended for experienced users, custom. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to click on standard. And now it's going to be installed onto that. Installing Zen. And that's it. Very simple installation. Then I'll have a little pop up here and go finish and launch Zen at the same time. Now, once it opens, just go through the home screens here. I'm going to skip this. Your key tabs always within reach, so keep your most important tabs easily accessible and always at hand, no matter how many you open. Essential tabs are always visible, no matter what workspace you are in. Click next. Just going to have you a quick guide how to use the Zen platform here, so I'm just going to go dive in. Alright, so once you've done all that, you should have something that looks similar to this.